morning, everybody. It's Christina, the mobile home mama, and I thought I'd get an early start. Sometimes during my day I get busy and carried away, so I thought I'd jump out here first thing this morning, standing outside of a 16 by 66. We call this home the Ockley, and I could tell from the outside that this is built really well because I peeked up underneath of this Tyvek weather wrap and I see an OSB wrap. Very, very important. Also, when I walked inside, I noticed that this home is Energy Star rated. So to be able to do that to your home, you have to have the best insulation and also the OSB wrap. So that's something you're going to want to do. The benefits of that is there's usually a credit with your utility company and also with some grants and with your taxes as well. So something to think about and something to look into locally. Now from the outside, we've got cream on the color with some black shutters. And then we also have a reverse aisle, meaning both doors are on the same side. This is very popular in a lot of parks. Let's go inside and take a look. This is the 2-bedroom version, so you're walking into a larger living room than normal. In the 3-bedroom version, you lose a little bit of the living room, but coming into a wide open space as far as the living room goes. Now, when you go over here into the kitchen, it does have some separation with this wall right here and right there. But what's great about the Ockley, and we do this in a 76 also, is that you've got this built-in hutch that's part of the standard floor plan. Cabinets on the bottom, cabinets on the top. We've got Glacier Quartzite on the countertop, and then the standard urban oak cabinets. We've got Harbor Light on the floor, and that floor is so versatile. There's just a little bit of every color in it. And what you would call a galley kitchen, refrigerator overhead cabinet, usually that's a shelf there. Also added an ice maker. And looks like we do have a bit of an appliance package. So we've got a gas stove with a microwave over the range, dishwasher, and then this is probably a 20.5 cubic foot refrigerator with ice maker. That's how the package goes. And you'll see here that we've got the Energy Star certification paper ready to go. We've got Casper cashmere on the wall with some nice molded trim. This is one of the only floor plans in a single wide where you're gonna have a designated dining room. So everybody loves this floor plan. Got a 30 by 36 window in here to let the natural light in. You can see it right here on the floor. And then coming into the second door, you would be coming right into a laundry room or a utility room. Furnace beside it. And let's go see if we can find the water heater. Here's the primary bedroom. 46 by 61 egress window, and then a primary closet. There's the water heater. Oh, this morning thing's not so bad, huh? Here's the primary bath. Single vanity. Got the 3-bulb light strip there. Good morning. And then let's see what we got around the corner. Oh, the walk-in shower. All right. With the doors. You can get this with or without the doors. About a $500 difference there. All right. I always imagine a taco bar here every time I walk in this home. I don't know what it is. Taco bar. Heading to the other end of the home, we've got bedroom 2 and also bath number 2. It seems to me that the bathrooms are pretty much the same size. Standard tub shower combination here. And then here's bed number 2. And when you do a 2-bedroom version of no matter what floor plan it is, it's always going to enlarge that second bedroom. While I have your attention, please like and subscribe. And I post at least a couple new videos every week. Check out what I got posted. Whoa, mama. Look at this closet. You could almost argue that the back end of the home, bedroom number 2, maybe a little sweeter than the primary. Also, big party, September 19th, first annual. I think I'm going to do this every year. where we're gonna have an open house, lots of new homes on display, and some big, hot, end of summer deals. Give me a call if you need a hotel. I can help you with that. And we're gonna have lenders and construction guys on site ready to put together your project. September the 19th from 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. That's in Topeka, Indiana. And as always, thanks for watching. I'm Christina, Mobile Home Mama. You can see the real Mobile Home Mama on TikTok, and also here we are on YouTube. Have a great day.